Welcome everyone to another session of the Product Management View webinar series. Every Wednesday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, product management professionals can pick up the latest in thought leadership, tips, and tricks.
Welcome everyone. Jim Geisman is president of MarketShare Inc., which is a pricing consultancy located in Wayland, Massachusetts. The firm helps its technology clients realize greater value from the products they sell and the people that sell them through value-driven pricing, value-focused selling, and managed discounts. MarketShare has worked with clients from North America, Europe, and Japan since starting out in 1982. The firm's website is www.softwarepricing.com. Jim has been a co-founder, director, advisor, or mentor to early-stage technology companies and has helped raise capital for various ventures. Really experienced guy. I'm sure you can all benefit from his experience. Take it away, Jim.
Thank you, John. Well, today we'll talk about how you all can improve pricing and make the decisions which tend to be pretty painful a little less so. And we'll be covering a number of topics. I'll introduce my firm a little more. And what we've seen out there is that one of the reasons for all of the pricing pain is there's a disconnect with the development process. And we'll characterize that and then speak to how you can reconnect pricing. And that's pretty good for a single product, but for many companies, they have to deal with taking that product and adding it to a portfolio. So we'll say something about pricing the product portfolio. And then there are some issues about pricing hygiene, which if you don't take care of them, things get very messy. And then we'll wrap up. I'm the founder of MarketShare. I've been consulting to the software industry for quite a while, and our company has a unique focus, which you can see played out on our website. The value-driven pricing activity in our practice area really deals with understanding what value is being delivered by an application to the customers, and then making sure that the way you charge for the product and the price levels you charge are somehow related to that value. Similarly, when salespeople are selling a product, you want to make sure that they focus on selling the product and the value of the product rather than the price. And then finally, discount containment is a way of taking a look at how your discount dollars are being spread around or invested and doing something about that. And typically what happens is our clients derive more value in terms of revenues from their products, sales effectiveness goes up, and the financial performance improves. So for those of you who may decide you want to leave early because you want to have lunch, here are the major takeaways for the presentation. First of all, pricing should start early in development, and in fact, elements of pricing come into play during the initial concept development. When you make product architecture decisions, whether you know it or not, or like it or not, you're making pricing decisions as well. And the pricing decisions that need to be made should be pegged to development activities simply because there's a series of stages you go through in terms of product and market discovery that lend themselves to different elements of pricing. And then finally, levels and discounts, price levels and the discounts that are applied is really something you do towards the back end of the development process and shouldn't be done any earlier than that. And then I guess one of the things that seems to be missing is people tend to think of pricing as an event, but in fact it's part of a process, and you need to have some processes in place, not only for pricing the product as you're ready to launch it, but pricing a portfolio and then monitoring the price behavior of the sales force and the pricing results. So let's talk about the pricing disconnect. I'm sure all of you have your own versions of a